Welcome to the short video about replacing your batteries of the APC Smart UPS 750. We start by pulling the top of the front part of your APC. Pull the two white plugs on the front. Grab the label of the batteries and gently pull the batteries towards you. Disconnect the cables from the old battery and be careful, they need to be replaced in the same spot on the new batteries. You can buy various cheap batteries online. Be careful that you buy the right size and the correct voltage. The amp per hour is not that important. For example, the original ones had 7 amp hour and this one has 9 amp hour. Connect the batteries to the connectors and be careful, black to the minus and red to the positive. Carefully stick the old sticker back to the new batteries. This makes replacement in the future way easier. I use some normal office tape to keep the batteries together. Gently slide the new batteries into the casing. First close the metal door and then push the white buttons, not before. You can carefully put the front cover back. And all errors should be resolved. You can now start the machine like before.